Alright, we got the Baja Warrior in here. Ain't that what the hell this thing is? Mm-hmm. And we're going to pull the engine off of here. And we're going to stick a 420 on it, 420 Predator. Make it go a little better. Yeah, I think it's cut. Yeah, there you go. Take a hammer to it.
Clutch for sale. Works great 75% of the time.
And it's out. Well, I can see right now we're gonna have to whack that sucker off.
Yep. Wait, is that on right?
Yeah.
Well, the right side facing.
Mm-hmm. It might need one little washer.
What?
Yeah, I think it's gonna need one washer.
What?
Behind here.
To bring it out?
Mm-hmm. Just a hair. Yeah, it's gonna need a washer.
Look at that big old engine.
Alright, so we got the engine sitting on there. We're gonna have to cut the plate out and make a new engine plate. The torque converter is gonna fit, and we just gotta get that engine mounted. Alright, so we got Sean here again. We're gonna work on Mike's mini bike. He was gonna wait and order some parts, but I think we're just gonna make our own parts and see if we can get this thing riding. So those are pretty decent holes for drill milling. Now we can bolt this to the engine, get that welded on there.
Just keep going. Yep, somewhere right about there.
Alright, so we got the engine on there. Well, sort of. We've made an engine plate, put holes in it and bolted the engine to it, and it's sitting on there. We're going to go ahead and weld that on.
Yeah. Yeah.
It'd be alright. I think we should widen them just a little bit though.
A little bit. Just so that they're like right here. Like another whole peg. One whole peg.
Yeah, like 3 inches.
Yeah, that'd be good.